Hi, I'm your friend Dr. Shruti Malvi. Congratulations, you're pregnant. What? You're not sure? So let's first confirm whether you're really pregnant. 2 days from your missed period, if you are overdue 2 days from your last period, you need to confirm whether you're pregnant. And the easiest way to do that is to do a urine pregnancy test at home. For that, take the first urine sample and a pregnancy test kit from a good company. It would look like so. Do not do this test holding the kit in your hand or fumbling with it, moving it here and there. Put it on a plain surface like so. Then, in a clean container, you take your first urine sample. We have a dropper provided in the kit. Take a little urine in the dropper. And then you have this urine well where you put 1, 2, and 3. Exactly 3 drops, neither more nor less. See, I'm still not touching the kit. Leave the kit there for at least 5 minutes. Then go nearer and in bright light examine the kit. There are 2 letters you can see here, C and T. C means control, T is the test. Control is there by default and test will give you your result. Because it's control, by default it will be a red dark line. And because this is water, the pregnancy test is obviously negative. So the test thing will not have any line. Now, if you are pregnant, the pregnancy test is positive, you will see 2 dark lines, 2 pink lines, one in the T and one in the C. Now this much is easy. What if the lines are not equally dark? This happens very frequently. When we see, usually the line on the test is very light and then we get confused whether we are pregnant or not. The line is not as dark as the C thing. I am telling you, even if the line is light, you are pregnant. Pregnancy test is positive, even if the line on the test is lighter. So now you need to meet me and we can proceed further. Thank you.